Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by using your phone as the audio hub. Pair your earbuds to the phone first and keep them connected. This ensures the phone will handle audio output. Next, turn on Bluetooth on the watch and place it in pairing mode. Once the earbuds are live on the phone, make sure the phone's Bluetooth media audio is enabled for those earbuds. This sequence prevents the watch from trying to own the audio channel and sets up the correct routing before you add the watch. Now pair the watch to the same phone. Use the companion app for full control if available. Once paired, go into the phone's Bluetooth profiles and allow the watch phone and notification access, but avoid giving the watch exclusive media audio if possible. Make sure the phone's audio output is set to the earbuds so media goes there. Once done, the watch can control playback and notifications, while audio stays on the earbuds, because the phone remains the active audio sync. Finish by testing. Play music from the phone or a watch app and confirm sound comes through the earbuds while the watch shows playback controls. If audio accidentally routes to the watch speaker, make sure the watch's media/audio profile is turned off in the phone's Bluetooth settings so the phone keeps earbuds as the output. If anything fails, restart Bluetooth on all devices and repair earbuds first, then the watch. That usually resolves profile conflicts and restores the correct routing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.